Bless you. Bless you. My goodness. Ready for some more? Want some more yogurt? Huh? You like that stuff? Ready? Woo! Look at that happy face. Boy, he loves the snot out of some yogurt. Look at him all bouncy and happy. Want some more? Hmm? Yeah, you like that? Is that good? Is that good? Look at his face. You can't really tell, but he's wearing yogurt everywhere. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, man. You're awesome, Hayden. You're an awesome little boy. You know that? Can you say hi to Miss Tara? Hayden. Hayden. One more time. Got a boy. Say hi, Miss Tara. I got a mouthful. I'm not going to say it. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.